Recent arrival 2015 Ford Explorer clean vehicle history, 1 owner, maintenance performed by John Sinclair Nissan, memory seat, power Driver Seat.brbrReviews. The 2015 Ford Explorer is a roomy, comfortable, versatile, and more fuel-efficient SUV than its truck-based ancestors, or even modern vehicles like the Chevy Tahoe. If that's what you need, the Explorer fits the bill. Source: KBB.combr Upscale cabin, abundant high-tech features, comfortable ride, fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, strong turbocharged V6. Source: Edmunds. The all-new, bold and dashing 2015 Explorer is your family's very own 7-person adventure machine. Explorer inspires with best-in-class highway fuel economy even a hybrid competition can't beat, 28 miles per gallon with a 2.0 liters EcoBoost engine. For the performance-driven, the 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6, standard on the new Explorer Sport, produces best-in-class V6 power and torque. There's an Explorer to go wherever you want. Stay connected to your calls, music and more with both hands on the wheel with Ford Sync. Increase your confidence with our driver assist advancements. Explorer's highly capable terrain management system is paired with intelligent 4WD to give you seamless shift-on-the-fly confidence. When encountering challenging conditions, just turn the dial to match the scene outside. When traffic is detected in your blind spots, the available BLIS, blind spot information system, with cross-traffic alert is designed to alert you with a light in your side view mirror. In addition, the adaptive cruise control and collision warning with brake support is designed to help you maintain a preset gap from the vehicle in front of you. Travel in style and luxury with leather-trimmed seating, standard inside Explorer Limited. Second-row heated seats and secondary console are made available on the Limited, and standard features such as heated steering wheel and 10-way power. Heated and cooled front seats take your comfort to the extreme. Standard seating for 7 features environmentally friendly, supportive, soy-based foam in the seat cushions and seatbacks to help conserve limited resources and reduce CO2 emissions. A dual-panel moonroof fills the cabin with light. This graceful space, crafted to world-class standards for fit and finish, is sure to please wherever your journey takes you. Source: the manufacturer summary.